This $3,000 electric riding mower just became a 700-pound paperweight. I was driving around a tree and a tree smacked this and pulled it back really hard. I don't know why this is like why an Allen wrench is in here. This is just how I bought it off Craigslist. So I'm guessing it was already somewhat broken. As I venture into the world of doing everything myself, I've learned that generally the first step is to identify all the screws and remove all the screws. Oh god, it's electronics. I don't know how to work on electronics. And also keeping track of how many screws there are, because sometimes I'm either missing one or I have an extra and then I don't know what to do. Oh, ew. The shifter is this. So this part isn't actually built by Ryobi, it's just a third party. Yeah, the other thing I've learned is the companies that sell you this stuff don't actually build the stuff, so it's always a bit of a treasure hunt just trying to find and hunt down the manufacturer of pretty much anything and everything ever made. So my guess is some little component inside this just snapped and is disconnected from these. And so the treasure hunt commences, which I always expect to be as simple as punching in all the numbers and letters that are on the little thing that I'm trying to replace, but it always seems to work out a little bit differently. Okay, I'm just gonna call Ryobi and ask where to get it.
Ryobi support line. Customer service.
How to order a replacement.
Wait, how old's your machine? What is, you have a model number? And what's the part you need?
It's the Canal X5 series switch.
Well, more importantly, I need to know a part number from Ryobi.
It's definitely under control panel assembly, I just can't find the actual part in that list.
Drivetrain assembly up there.
And at some point during our 30-minute conversation and sifting through 21 pages of diagrams of my lawnmower, I came to the realization that the design had changed. Ryobi still sells this exact mower, but they made a complete refresh which no longer uses the shifter piece that I need. Instead, it uses a foot shifter, which is a completely different component. And the guy confirmed that they no longer stock or sell the piece that I'm looking for, or probably any piece from prior designs of their products.
Your call is important to us.
He transferred me to somebody with a 40-minute wait time, and in the meantime, I continued the hunt. I found the switch. This is an exact match. The only difference is it's the generic top piece instead of Ryobi branded. I really don't feel like having to order from China. I've been on her for like 20 minutes, so in the meantime, I completely removed the piece. I'm just gonna disassemble this and see what's inside. I'm also just kind of bored, so why not? So I think this was originally a button. Oh. So these, oh, come on. So these sit inside and get pushed onto the right metal piece. Like it looks fine, but I think, okay, it's not broken. I think it just came out of place. So I'm just reassembling it. It's possible one of these metal pieces got snapped out of place. Oh, that sounds better. Wait. I think I just fixed it. Did I just fix it? I've never fixed something. I know this is the most simple thing ever, but I've never fixed an electronic. I'm so curious if it actually works. Here's my lovely labeling job. I also took some pictures. In the case this is not a solution and puts us back to square one, I went ahead and inquired with the Chinese seller and had Ryobi on speed dial. Okay, so before I reassemble everything, let's just test it like this. Oh my god, I fixed it. I'm actually proud of myself. I have been trying to fix a lot of things recently, and it's just such a struggle. This is such a simple fix. Any of you watching this could have done this, but I'm still happy. A free fix too, it didn't cost me anything. Let me take off all this paper. And with just a little bit of fiddling while on hold, I actually solved the issue. Now the thing is, like I mentioned, literally anybody could have solved this issue. It was super simple. But the thing is, the me from a few years ago would not have had the confidence to crack open the machine or even touch an electronic piece, no matter how simple it is. I hate to admit this, but I probably would have gone in circles with customer support and then sell the lawnmower for parts not working and ultimately buy a new one down the road. Now, the Chinese seller did respond. Unfortunately, the minimum order quantities are usually pretty high, but even then, honestly, at 58 cents each, it would have been worth $58 to order 100 of them. There's no moral to this story. I was just happy with the fix. I guess the moral is you can do it yourself, maybe. Give it a try. I don't know. Don't electrocute yourself, though.